Hey, this is Damon Nelson, and I've got a special recommendation, and the reason is I bought it and I love it. I've had it in the past. It's called WP Fresh Start, but they've updated everything for 2017, and they've added a lot more features. And the reason I like it is it takes a bunch of these boring tasks and squeezes it all down into a one-click operation. And they've added some extra features like the most popular plugins by niches. So you just select the niche, check the ones you want, and click install, and it will put them all in. There's a couple other features I want to show you, but if you're building WordPress sites at all, especially if you're doing these news sites, this is going to be a very handy feature because most of the plugins that I recommend that you install are in the WP Fresh Start auto installer. So let me show you. This is the sales page, and you can listen to Todd Gross talk a little bit here. But what I want you to do before you do anything else is go down here to listen to their sales message from Todd, but go down here and start looking at some of the things that you can do. Like you can automatically set your title or your tagline, of course your admin email, create legal pages. Guys, this is worth the cost of whatever you're paying is to have these automatically created for you. Cookie warnings, create multiple tags. So you could go in and set up your categories and tags before you even open up the WordPress. Delete all comments. This right here is probably the most asked question. How do you get rid of comments on WordPress? This does it all for you. And you can come down here and click Disable Post and Pages. Now, if you have a set of plugins, i.e. you got a set of plugins that I'm going to recommend to you, you just paste them in here. Security. Disable right mouse click. This keeps people from copying things on your website. Disable image hot linking. This is another one that I use. And here's the SEO. Here's one of the most important things that I always forget to do is set permalinks to post name. But the thing that you got to keep in mind with all this, it's all in one page, and it's kind of a reminder of things that you have to do. So if you do this all the time, you could save that template, and then you just hit Save All Changes, and it will actually go out and do all this for you. And it installs the plugin, set up everything. You could set up your analytics coming in, your webmaster tools, put your pixel code. If you don't use Google Tag Manager, this is perfect for setting everything up. So anyway, this is go through the demo, go through the sales page, but I wanted to just show you this is just the basic version. Now, they have an upsell, and what I want to do is compare the upsell for you. It's right here. Oh, that's not it. It's right here. Okay, here's the front end features. This is what I bought a long time ago, and it does all this really well. But this right here is install recommended plugins. Guys, this is what takes the time right here is to build your WordPress, is going into plugins, add new, click the plugin, find it, and then install it, activate it. This does it all in one click. Disable copying that we talked about. And then this right here where it adds lorem ipsum and it adds dummy images. So you can actually build out a web page just by clicking how long you want your lorem ipsum and putting in some dummy images, so you could show this to a customer to show them here's what you need content for, and you could sell them that content feature. And disable copy, of course, and block hot linking of images from external sources. So you could keep people from using your own private images in their website. Of course, add Google Analytics, add the EU cookie notice to your site. Now, let's talk about the OT1 features. Highly recommend this. You hide your WP login admin. This is one of the best safety features, security features. You can optimize your database and remove garbage. And just kind of look through this. You can rebrand WordPress, But I wanted to show you something that this does that I bought it just for that. It has a Google Translate button for one-click translation. Add scroll to top buttons for across your site. Now, you may not think about this, but this is a handy feature that a lot of people use, and it takes time to program all this in there. Replace WordPress comments with Facebook comments. How do you get social sharing on your site? Use Facebook comments. Of course, you're going to add your Facebook, Twitter metadata. Add social sharing buttons floating on your site. What this means is they can share at any point in time on any page. One-click backup to Dropbox. If you're buying Duplicator, which I bought Duplicator Pro, and I only got 15 installs, but it cost me $90 for the Duplicator Pro. Well, this has a one-click backup service to Dropbox. And that's why I bought Duplicator Pro, is to go to Dropbox. So there's some really nice features. Of course, you can use your Google fonts with the OT1. And I highly recommend, if you do any type of WordPress builds, get this. This is just a time saver. It's not a theme builder. It doesn't do any funnels for you or anything like that. It just, everything that you do on a normal basis to set up WordPress, it's all right here. And I just think that if you want to save an hour a day, if you're building WordPress sites, this is a no-brainer. So anyway, I'll see you on another video. I'll also check out the bonuses below too on this video, or on the sales page, because those are all WordPress plugins that you can put in and you can add to the auto build with it. So anyway, talk to you soon.